So the next command that we want to learn is console.readline. With console.readline, we can get an input from the user. In C#, the codes will be running from top to bottom. The console.readline will stop the application and it will wait for the user to input something. And after that, the application will continue to do whatever it was doing. As you can see, my application hasn't printed hello world yet, and it is waiting for me to input some data. Let's just say test. As you can see, after I inputted some data and pressed enter, the application continued running as it was doing before. So now how can we use this data? The way that we can use this data is by using it directly inside one of the other commands, for example console.write. One of the ways is to use it directly inside one of the commands. For example, when we are using console.write, we don't want to use a piece of text. We want to use another command, which is for example console.readline, which will give us some data back and we can print it out. Let's remove the semicolon and now let's run the application. Here you can see our first hello world is printed out, and after we input something and when I press enter, as you can see, it will get the data and print it out again. So the other way to store and manipulate this data inputted by the user is by using variables. And in the next lecture, I will tell you all about variables. If you want to help me create more videos like this, you can consider subscribing and liking this video.